Good afternoon, Dr. M. Muthukumar, sir. Welcome. Let me take a quick minute to introduce you. Dr. M. Muthukumar, sir, is an HOD in Commerce, Madurai Kamaraj University, Madurai, in Tamil Nadu. He has an MCom, MBA, and PhD, and is working as an assistant professor and HOD, Department of Commerce at Madurai Kamaraj University. He is having over 20 years of experience in teaching profession. He is a member in board of studies in 3 institutions and a resource person in 3 universities. He has published several management books and attended international conferences as a keynote speaker in Dubai, Singapore, and rest he will narrate himself, and you will get the sense of it when he delivers his keynote address. Dr. M. Muthukumar, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome.
Good afternoon to one and all. Those who are assembled in this today's sustainable virtual conference given by the many more the institutions like Global Research Conference Forum organized the program in association with Gramalti Mandals Arts, Commerce and Science College, Pune, and Indian Accounting Association, Pune chapter. Such an Indian international conference is a packed and theme of sustainable business practices and challenges in the management, humanities, and higher education area. So the last 2 days from yesterday onwards, many of the keynote speakers and many of them they can be presented the paper and also give their informative message to the budding researcher, those who are want to be clearing a research. So this is a wonderful event which is organized by the Global Research Conference by the dynamic leadership of Dr. Prakash Divagaran. I know on proverb basis, if you believe yourself, anything can be positive, anything can be possible. Like this word is applicable to our Prakash Divagaran. He is a man of do everything and a single hand to all those things to cover the throughout the country as well as the global scenario. At this scenario of this last 1.5 years, we are sitting on our own home due to the pandemic situation. He arranged to touching with the each and every personalities in globally. It's a very good activities of nature to run over the activities because each and everybody can be touching with the introduced with the faculties and dignitaries from the various parts of the country as well as the global. So such a theme, your words are respected. Your words are respected. We are thinking as a authorized personality as per the compensation. So every researcher is most interested and most acquainted to the researching area of their own field. But now, at present, the research theme area can be widely narrowed due to the topic selection. Most of the budding researchers through our universities in our state, many of the budding researchers cannot be choose the topic with the viable lacking of this information throughout the correction of data. Why? Because normally the research cannot be equal to previous research. Every one of the research, they should be wanted to know the previous research and what are the researchers be going to be go through on previously. That is called review. Collection of attended this program on the yesterday onwards. So very glad this program. So everybody, the budding research, I am telling information about the researcher, new researcher and researcher. Many of the scholars and the dignitaries and the professors from they can be giving like many more information regarding of the researching area and trust area and just by previously the professor is explaining clear regarding about the ERP. So the very useful data will be available for the using of the method. But my amplitude of the information lightly touch about the collection of data and the tabulation of data. It is a very useful information regarding for the new researcher. Once who want to be pursuing a research, the data collection may be choosing by the methods. That is, data may be classified into primary data as well as the secondary data. The primary data, the data is first-hand information collecting through the tools, questionnaire and schedule. The questionnaire and schedule can be prepared with the informative message relevant to the research supplied to the respondent. The respondent may be taking as a giving information regarding of the area, thrust area of research. Based on the information, we can converting into data. All the information cannot be a data, but data may be derived from the information. That is a format. So every information collecting from the sources is converting into a data. But all the data can be derived from the information, but all the information cannot be converting as a data. Data means it's only reliable to our research. It can be used for our research is called data. So whereas many of the budding researchers, they can be first identified and understand what is the information collected from the survey and how can be converting into data. So that is the first step. Then the tools may be analyzed to the data. What are the tools? What are the main tools can be analyzed by the data? There are many tools relevant to depend upon the researching area. That is called chi-square test, derivative analysis, and mean, median, correlation analysis. Previously, one faculty and my dear faculty member and professors told about the correlation analysis, covariant between the two analysis called a correlation analysis. This is a very vital tool which are used for the availability of the data. That is much important. That is called correlation analysis. Many of the tools may be applicable for the informative data. That similar to that, where we can be identified to secondary data. The secondary data may be the sources which is available in the books and records and whatever identified. In current scenario, the last 10 years, now we are in a digital scenario, digital area of research and digital marketing, where every matter is available through the searching. That is called Google search. So whatever we can informative, that is information can be gathered from the platform of the Google. So the Google search is also a available data that is maybe converting into secondary data, but secondary data can be utilized for our research. It must be proved to the data is be applicable. Is a research is a violator. The research data can be proved. The results of the research must be proved by the data. So such a things where we can be identify the informative message regarding about the data. So and then all the data can be collected. That can be tabulated. Tabulated means presenting the results. Results tabulated can be presented through its various sources of the tabulation of the points. How can be available? What are the data can be applicable to the research? What is not applicable? That is called a setting of informative is called a hypothesis. Hypothesis may be classified into null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. That hypothesis system can be applicable to everyone to know that which is relevant for the research or not research. That is called the results can be proved only by the hypothesis. Setting of hypothesis, all the results can be matched with the hypothesis. After that, the results can be proved with the everywhere manner. So this is the second part. And then making a comprehensive analysis. Analysis chapter can be elaborately presented by the every researcher regarding the information based on the identified information, data collection, through which find the data as an available informative message. Then they can be come to for our conclusion. And suggestions and conclusions is very useful. The data used by our informative message. What is the identity? You can find out through the data and how far it is applicable for our reality, how far it is applicable to our reality area, through the research area, can be thrust area, can be applicable to the reality. That much of the research is very useful, very identified within the area. As day before, last week, I attended the one pre-viva examination at Padre Kamaraj University, but that topic is a very interesting topic. Gender, the topic is identified as a gender in entrepreneurship. That is gender in entrepreneurship. Gender, entrepreneurship is one of the interesting topic, as well as a topic can be identified the gender. What is the classification of gender? Gender means, you know very well about that, who can be dominating a starting of the entrepreneurship as a gender, either is a male or female. Who is can be advantages, who can be getting to disadvantages. Why the female gender cannot be starting an entrepreneur, cannot become a successful entrepreneur with a very few of them. Only very few of the entrepreneur to become a successful entrepreneur in a woman. But men entrepreneur to become a dominating role of the entrepreneur, successful entrepreneur. Why? Because what is the causes? What is the reason? What are the cause behind the becoming a successful entrepreneur? So all this area to be identified as such a research. It's a wonderful informative given by the particular scholar as well as the guide. She is my colleague. She is also giving such a valuable information regarding about the research. So such a wonderful topic can be chosen by the researcher for their future researching area. Then there they can be identified. The particular results can be very useful to our current scenario and also that. So now that current scenario is a pandemic situation, corona situation, pandemic situation is to be going on towards. So we can go through that. We can overcome all this situation. And what are the factual figures in future area? Hello. The future area can be identified with a trusting classification. So identified as such a research. So very useful to every budding researcher in the business, entrepreneurship, education, everything is to be stacking and collapsed due to the pandemic. First health condition, next education condition. The educational institution, whereas educational institution opening or not, these situations to be arising on the coming area, forthcoming period. So what are the identity hardships to be settled through which then only they can be identified. So the normal to become a ordinary people to become a extraordinary people only by the hardship often by prepared is a proverb. So the hardship through the hardships where we can be identified, everyone can be extraordinary, everyone can be identified. So the author of because we are the author of our life, so we can be don't afraid about the editing and changing of the script. So that it must be easy way quoting by this information. The successful people always there can be two things on their lips: silence and smile. Smile maybe solve the problem, silence to avoid the problem. So whereas the researcher and researching area through which we can be silenced to not to avoid the problem, we can take out the problem, the research area to solve the problem with the benefit of the people. That must be very useful to the particular researcher. And once again, I thank to everybody. And this is information to that. I'll convey my congratulations to everybody, the dignitaries, participants of the occasion, and also my special congratulations attending to throughout the world. This is very useful to such a pandemic area. I'm very congratulated and grateful to Prakash Divakaran and everybody, the learned professors, distinguished faculties, joined to the most of the parts of the country. So this is a wonderful atmosphere, that occasion to be created by the Dr. Prakash Divakaran. Congratulations to the Prakash Divakaran and the team of members, faculty, learned professors from the various parts of the country and exclusively the states of Maharashtra and Pune. So such a things may be getting to very fruitful. So already I told that the hardships often prepared to ordinary people for an extraordinary people. That is our this situation may be a hardship due to the corona, but we are to be in extraordinary in the virtual conference and virtual meeting through which organized by the wonderful arrangements given by the Dr. Prakash Divakaran. So I congratulate on behalf of the faculty members and dignitaries once for all. This much of the informations institutions can be created in future. That must be everyone having to be very usefully identify this area. That hardship situation may be become a fruitful situation by everyone of our faculty. We are successful peoples to getting that identity with the manner of the information given by such a conference. So I congratulate to participants of the conference, this virtual conference on behalf of the everybody. Thank you one and all for this patience to receiving my disturbing audio, but I'm sorry to regards my convenience. So I convey my regardless to everybody to hear me as a patience. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your time and guidance as usual. So you are a permanent member for the conferences. From the starting onwards, you have attended along with us through Dubai conference, also Global Research Conference Forum, and many countries we together. And Dr. M. Muthukumar sir is my guide also for my second PhD. So we are very proud to have you here, sir. Now, Mr. Manoj Jain, you can say vote of thanks, or anybody wish to talk something, you can talk right now.
Very fortunate and consider myself fortunate and privileged enough to have heard to you, and you gave your valuable time. Technical glitches do occur, and I don't expect anybody to personally apologize as you did. It is part and parcel of our life in this typical situation of pandemic, I would say.
Yes,
But
sir. Yes. Agree, sir. Agree.
Patience is the key. Patience to sustain in this environment is the key, I would say.
Exactly, sir. Exactly.
So thank you very much for your time, and thank you very much for again walking us through the basics, the basic nitty gritty involved behind the research process. You know, while doing the research, I have been taking a lot of help from Dr. Prakash Divakaran sir. He has been of immense help to me, and for small information, small bits and pieces of information, he is of extreme immense help to me, guiding my way through of what to look for, where to look for, how to proceed, how not to get stuck. You know, small things. I have so many questions. I have realized it's a whole different enchilada altogether. If you talk of questionnaires, research can be done on questionnaire itself, or even a couple of researches would be done on questionnaire itself. If you talk about questionnaire design, it is the backbone of a research process, I would say, Dr. Muthukumar sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Because there is no specific formula, there is no specific magic pill. That is only a statistical tool, instrument rather, for collection of data. But how you design the questionnaire, that is the key to your results, to your findings. It could go either way, depending on the negligence of, or slight negligence in the design of questionnaire. Even the sample error or sample design could be little bit off. However, if the questionnaire design fails or is improper, inappropriate, if it's not in line with the objectives, the purpose of whole research, I have realized personally, I'm sure I'm not, I don't think I'm wrong in mentioning this, that the purpose of whole research would be defeated. You need to have a proper questionnaire in place, and this questionnaire differs from researcher to researcher, from topic to topic, and how you go about collecting the data. The methods of collecting the data, the methods of sampling are there. But if you don't ask the specific question, if your data, the data drives your statistical tool, you do the analysis with your data. The data is your key ingredient, I would say, just the way you have salt in your recipe. If you have little more, it's gone. If it's little less, it's worthless, and your recipe will not taste good at all, despite of a big, nice, nicely lighted up restaurant. But if your recipe even slight, which in terms of research, I would say there is a difference between research method and research methodology. Methodology says of how much to use and how to when to use how much of a particular. Method just is bits and pieces of compiling the whole steps in the research process. Am I correct, Dr. M. Muthukumar sir?
Exactly, sir. Exactly. Can you hear me, sir? Can you
Yes,
hear me?
sir. Yes, sir. I am.
Sir, your words are appreciated, sir. But actually, you told about the touching the word regarding the methodology and methods. Right
Yes,
away,
sir.
I'm told about the methods mean be the tools and the facts and figures. What are the points to be available in the books? But methodology means the approaches, strategy that can be
Okay.
applicable. Whereas a way of research. I'm talking about the questionnaire. You touched the point the questionnaire.
Yes.
Questionnaire preparation of the questionnaire is the right way to preparing of the questions. What are the questions to be asking?
Yes,
But the maybe questions may be differ from the research to research. I agree with you, sir. I agree with you. But the question may be differ from research to research. But derivating of information, that is data.
Yes.
I know that I told you that in my speech, the derivating of information, gathering of information to become a data. But all the information cannot become a data, but the right information to converting into a data. Likewise, you tell about the meaning of the recipe. That is a recipe means restaurant. Many of the ingredients to be added to the recipe, but you can excess of the recipe ingredients, the food cannot be taken by taste. But less can be less ingredient of the the food also can be rejected. So, but
Exactly.
it must be used to optimum level. It must be used on a right away to optimum level to acquire the data. Likewise, the
Yes, sir.
research and also researcher to be used the information according to the taste. That means according to the research thrust area. That is my point, sir. That is the area to be covered. How to use the data, that is information. Based on that, research techniques and questionnaires can be prepared. According to, but methods, right away you touch the points, research methods, all the information to be gathered. What is the method? What is the research? How far is research? Export research, distribute. These are the information as the methods. Methodology can be applicable. Strategy can be applicable to each and every point. How can be applicable? The car driving, how to drive the car? First, you sit the driver seat and put the seat belt and start the key. That is the methods. Everyone
Okay.
knows that. But methodology that can be applicable to where is that? How can we make a driving within a traffic area and in a highways area, and also that is in a very congested area, and where we very slowly. Suppose the last 10 days before the Delhi having a heavy rain to
Yes, sir.
sustain most of the vehicle to be the NCR road, the Lucknow road can be traffic congested. How can we move the vehicle? Likewise, that is a strategy according to the time. But I know the driving. I can start the car. I can drive so fast in the traffic. Cannot be applicable. So that is a strategy can be applicable. Likewise, we can converting our research. Okay,
Excellent.
sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. I've heard lots of praises from Dr. Prakash Divakaran sir as well, and I'm so fortunate and happy that I could get some insight from your side as well.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can you accept me, sir?
Yes,
Can
I
you
can.
my word, sir?
Yes, I can hear
Yes, yes,
you.
yes. Anything
Well,
else, sir? Anything else?
No, I think I mentioned, I think you lost me on that.
Okay,
I
sir.
heard lots of praises from Dr. Prakash Divakaran sir on and off about yourself being guide for him and a mentor. So I'm
Thank you.
considering myself fortunate to have a little time of yours and little knowledge from you as well.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. We will together, sir. We will together. Time comes, we will meet you, sir. We will sharing with you many information, sir. But it's a many information, many points, and sharing with my knowledge and experience along with you, sir. Don't worry. I'm ready with you.
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
Sir, may I?
Yes, please.
Sir, actually, it was wonderful to hear Atul Ramgade sir and his presentation at the first. That time, actually, I have joined and he have explained it very well and elaborately because he have focused the many things that reminds you that what you have left from your research, right? कभी-कभी क्या होता है when you present, at least 10 people will see it and they talk about it and you will find a lacuna in that, and definitely there is a chance to improve always, and you can present it next time maybe. So that thing I have learned through these sessions actually.
That is nice to know. It is a continuous, as we discussed, in whether it is a process.
Yeah, it is a continuous process of learning.
You know, back in old days, if you recall, even if we did our own small resume, you know, one-page resume, it was clearly mentioned. Sometimes you will miss out on the like spelling mistakes or the layout of it or the grammatical errors. It is difficult to see on the screen. So it was always recommended, highly recommended, that of course we all, if we are from middle class, we think we don't want to print again and again. But printing is definitely the first option, which we try to kind of, you know, overlook and try to peel our eyes, glue our eyes on the screen and try to find as many errors as we can. And still, if you recall, once you do a printout, you still will find 5 or 7 mistakes. Arey, yeah, comma or period is missing, and then you do it. That's exactly the scenario which I'm also realizing in the presentation, preparing our PPTs, going through the research work. It is very easy to miss out on sometimes a simple point and get too far carried away with the research process and too deep into a particular area of the research, whether it's collecting the data or whether it's the sample design or whether it's data processing or whether it's literature review or whether it is findings or whether it is what to do for the future scope. You just keep
Exactly,
going,
sir.
hopping and
it is
jumping.
endless actually. There are many things in the one small research paper that you need to cover, and every aspect you need to remember, and definitely it will be something good out of that.
Yeah,
As in
exactly.
research problem
Keep
and
cleaning,
solution
cleaning.
to the real life problem. Also, I want to thank Prakash Divakaran sir. Sir, you have given the opportunity to present the people's like I'm from the hotel management field and I am very newcomer into the field of research and presenting the paper. But on this platform, I'm feeling very comfortable that people around me, they are very welcome and they give hand in hand and they have a good approach towards the newcomer as well and they support them. Thank you, sir.
No problem, Rupesh Bhavsar sir. If it's your initial experience, I would definitely encourage you to join many more conferences, many more webinars in future, not only on this platform, this virtual Zoom of global research, but whenever and wherever you have an opportunity, you do so, because the biggest advantage is you also are able to keep up with what's happening in other areas like history, geography, or metallurgy, or this or that. You not only are focused on your topic, but you get on a single platform. It's like extremely elegant platform for, I call it, for exchange of views, exchange of knowledge, exchange of information, absorbing. Everybody has something to take away from this.
Your topic was on ERP, sir. That was also a very good topic, and it enlightened many of the things like management. How can they use the ERP system to upgrade or to keep everything on the track? So that is to be learned for today from your topic as well, sir.
Actually, there is maybe, I don't know, it has offshoot of how many subtopics a research can be done, because I am still surprised. Actually, I have come for research work from Canada after 20 years, and I still see it is all in books, it is all in theory. As our eminent speakers this morning, if you were not there, I think you were missed out on that. The motivational speaker, Dr. Chetan More sir, we keep learning, we don't apply it. It's just a process of learning.
Exactly, sir.
It is just one-way traffic. I personally see manufacturing. I have witnessed, this is the fourth industrial revolution in manufacturing terms. I'm not aware much. I don't have much insight about the hotel and tourism industry. I'm not sure how much you have on the manufacturing, but I have spent almost, you can say, my next home is the shop floor of a company. My operations management is my next home, which I have spent most 16 hours a day for almost 30 years now. And I still see we have not come very far from where we were 20 years back, because I still purchased an Activa, I purchased a Pleasure, I purchased a Wagoner, and I have problems with them in first beginning from 3 months to 6 months. So what automation, what quality control, what processes, what ERP, what artificial intelligence, what robotics, what supply chain, what customer relationship management? I see nothing. Honest to God, I see nothing. It is just only research.
Definitely, the management approach for this is also important. The implementation of the policies. I mean, making of the policies is the different thing, and implementing is on the ground. Actually, that makes the difference for the people in the society. Actually, and they will have some kind of benefit out of that. So it's a good approach from you, sir, and definitely I am learned from the person or learned person like you. It was my pleasure, really.
It is, as I said, actually exchange of information. I have no idea when you talk about hotel industry. I will learn something from you. And
why not, sir? Why not? Anytime, sir. You are most welcome.
So I especially feel bad, and I have taken this specific topic of my research in ERP for closed loop system, because there are so many manufacturers of this software application, but the small thing is missing. You know, we talk about cleanliness, and then you go in kitchen and you find a small ant, or you find a small cockroach. So what cleanliness, what protocols we are talking about? So what pinches me more, what I feel bad when I come from the outside world, where people heavily criticize us based on our skin color, based on our education system, based on our ethics, where we are picked, where we are part of, definitely bound to be discriminated even within India. That goes as a part and parcel of life. But what hurts me more is the Make in India initiative has been done. And now that the forum is restricted to only few people and it is more of a personal discussion, what hurts me more, what is the big scope of research is, you are inviting foreign direct investment. You are inviting Make in India, correct? So it is like you are inviting a European guy. Not to sound discriminatory, I would say you're inviting a white guy as a guest to your house, and then you're giving him a vada pav from the tela. So how much it will appeal him, how happy he will be, What memories would
That
he
the
have?
same problem is here in Aurangabad, sir. Aurangabad having a huge MIDC and very good potential for the industries as well. There are few industrialists, they come to survey, and one of the, I suppose, German investor who was the huge investor, and they wish to put the plant. They have given the subsidy for the land, electricity, water, and everything. And end of the day, what they said, when our people will come here, they don't have anything that people go after the work. Like nightlife is also important. It is not only about the work; it is also a pleasure of living that need to be standardized for such people as well. सिर्फ
Absolutely.
उनको बुलाना और इकोनॉमिक पैकेज देना इतना ही काफी नहीं है. अपने आप को भी अपग्रेड करना जरूरी है at city level, as these people say, smart city, and
Exactly.
we having very bad conditions around. I mean, it's not only all bad. There are few good things also happening, but the thing is, moreover, it looks as an bad. Like roads, water supply. I live in Aurangabad from last 11 years.
Okay.
And we have
Nice to know that. Okay. So
we
actually-
have a water supply after 8 days.
Oh my
A
God.
drinking water supply where you people can see in the television the Jayakwadi Nath Sarovar, what we call it. It is a flooding now, right? It is a full 100%.
Yes.
It is 100% from last 3 years.
Yes.
Since the problem is not being solved just because of the political leadership.
Exactly. Exactly. See, that's the whole point. Exactly. You
Yeah.
just whichever area you, Rupesh Bhavsar sir, whichever area you touch, whichever area you tap into, you will find. That's what I mentioned. We're talking so much automation. We're talking smart. And why I'm going so far? We talk that IT. India is the brain for IT.
Yes, exactly, sir.
And I try to process a small city in India, and I cannot process a simple passport application. It has an obsolete data on it. I had to go to passport office 3 times and I had to come back.
It's not only ERP, sir. Actually, it is the people who implement the ERP as well. They
Exactly.
have their own sets of ERP, and I mean barriers for people to not to work it out. As
that's
I have
frustrating.
seen, there are many banks or such kind of things are there. If you want to do the banking in such scenario, like if you working into the trade, आप अगर shares करते हो, तो ऐसा भी सुनने में आता है. When there is a chance of probability of earning some money, they switch off their servers. So
Very good.
almost half of people cannot be accessible that systems. तो इस तरीके की भी systems अपने यहाँ पे मौजूद है, sir. I
See,
mean,
imagine-
intelligence is not only used for the good. They are using intelligence for such things as well. And
There
we
you
do
go.
not have any track or any proof for such things.
Exactly.
ERP है, सब कुछ है. The people are saying we have the food safety in ISO. ISO 20,000 is a base. But the thing is, ISO do not say कि जो काम करेगा उसका क्वालिफिकेशन क्या होगा. अगर वो 4वीं 8वीं पास होगा तो वो क्या सिस्टम इम्प्लीमेंट करेगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि उसको काम नहीं मिलना चाहिए, उसको काम मिलना चाहिए. But what we expect actually from this industry, that is the thing.
You see, the latest greatest example is income tax return filing website.
Yeah. जब चाहिए तब खुल जाती है, जब चाहिए तब डाउन रहती है. Exactly, sir.
We are opening, Infosys is opening offices globally in Finland, Netherlands, or where not, Ireland and USA and everywhere. And at home we don't have a IT return website properly, and we don't have so many things properly.
It's not accessible. If you want to find out something, government schemes or something, they are not properly available on internet, or they might be do not allow you to go and search kind of things. It is really there, sir. There
I
are
feel really
restrictions.
pity. Yes, I feel very sad about all this.
This is called as an old type of license world. Actually, British लोग license holder थे, or they used to give the license to the few people only. So same thing, the history is repeating as such in the bad move as well.
Right, correct.
But it is not all bad. There is a good thing as well. that GRCF is there to present. It is a really good thing, and it is very nice to attach with you all people.
It is always a pleasure, and it is the
Mr.
purpose.
Rupesh Bhausar was attended our Dubai conference. Some of the
Okay.
participants, those are right now available, maybe not come to Dubai, but Mr. Rupesh Bhausar has attended and he was sessioned a chair in the Dubai conference.
Oh, very nice. That's nice. No, the
It was the pleasure. Actually, you offered me such things, sir. Actually, without your forum, it was not possible to go away like Dubai and present somewhere like in an initial time. Basically, I was very new. At least myself, it was my second paper, I suppose.
Okay.
But it was backed up by the GRSAF, everybody, and I have gone through it, and I have done it very successfully.
No, that is actually, that's what keeps me very closely knitted with Dr. Prakash Divakaran sir.
Yes,
His intent,
exactly, sir.
his purpose of platform is totally entirely different. It's not a money making machine, but it is
Really,
a
sir.
networking of scholars, and at all levels, whether it is a newcomer, whether it is a one-day-old scholar, and right from, as I just mentioned, of Dr. Muthukumar and Dr. M. Muthukumar sir, is like a grandfather to me, I would say. And I've seen many other fathers and grandfathers here, like Dr. Prabha Devi ma'am, Mayil Murugan sir. Dr. Mayil Murugan sir is the mentor and guide for her. So
सर कभी पुणे में आपका मीट रहेगा तो सर बुलाइए हमको. Definitely we love to come and meet at the one center, like आपका
Please,
कॉलेज
please.
जो है वहाँ पे आके हम मिलना पसंद करेंगे.
Absolutely,
So we
absolutely.
can discuss it on the
Sir, we are awaiting to the pandemic has to be come down. So
Yeah.
the next conference is going to be start in Pattaya, and immediately in a week's time, Saturday, Sunday in Pattaya, then Bangkok next Saturday, Sunday. That means in a 1 week totally we can spend in Bangkok. That will be the starting conference that is already sponsored by SKN Srinagar Engineering College, Pandharpur. It is already sponsored program. So you people can attend together. So I think we will go in a chartered flight. So you people are all available. Then the next is Singapore, then Malaysia and Dubai. So like that way, and Hong Kong also, these are the conferences already we are lined up. So just waiting, the pandemic has to little bit give us the relax. So all are hope all are vaccinated well.
Cross fingers, sir, and definitely it will be happened very soon.
If you're coming during your vacation, if you're visiting Pune, yes, feel free to meet, and we can meet together with your and my mentor and your guide as well, Dr. Atul Ramgade sir, Dr.
Yes,
Prakash
sir.
Divakaran sir. If you're coming to Pune, then we can meet in Vidyatila College.
I mean, it is a very good forum, sir. So we can definitely, we need to meet.
Would look forward to meeting you, sir. Would be a
Exactly,
pleasure.
sir. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
And one more thing, Mr. Manoj Jain, Viva will be in next week. After that, he is flying back to Canada, so we can have a conference in Canada also.
Yes,
So
yes,
Mr.
sir.
Rupesh and all we can join.
Sir, actually, you can start your forum in Canada with Manoj sir, and he will send us the letter for getting the visa and everything done. So definitely, we will look forward to Manoj sir to go to Canada and meet him there. So I have to ask him to come to not
Absolutely.
come to Pune. I'll come to Canada. Sir.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Dr.
Anytime.
Jayagudi sir and Mr. Ibrahim Abdul Hafiz are joined from the morning till now. So I think we have to come to
Yes.
upload a video and just have few words for us as a motivational purpose. Mr. Ibrahim Abdul Hafiz.
Hi, sir.
I'm not sure, Dr. Prakash Divakaran sir, if he can hear us, or is it stuck, or is
Okay,
there's-
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
so-
some problems are there maybe.
Yes.
So,
I see it.
Jayashree Kole madam.
Jayashree Kole madam, Pushpa Gore
Jayashree
madam.
Kole madam also attended our international conference.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Is she
Ma'am,
there
please,
online?
few words, please.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Dr. M. Muthukumar, sir.
Manoj sir, I convey my congratulations for your voice examination next
Thank
week.
you, sir. Thank you so much. Your blessings
You-
are really
You are
needed.
pursuing PhD in which university, sir? Which university?
Himalayan University.
Oh, Himalaya University. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, okay. Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Your blessings are.
Yes, definitely, sir. Definitely. I
Muthukumar
will.
sir is also an examiner, by the way, for Himalayan University.
Pardon me.
I may be an examiner of the Himalayan University.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Then your blessings are definitely most needed.
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you very much for your thoughtful.
Jayashree
blessing.
Kole madam. Jayashree Kole madam.
Pushpa
Vaishali
Ghosh.
Bhosle ma'am.
Not sure.
Girish
Can-
sir. Waiting for your concluding remarks.
Yes, I think.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Jayashree Kole ma'am. Yes, we
Hi,
can hear
yes,
you.
sir.
We can hear you.
Yes, sir.
We have been waiting since morning for your feedback, comments, thoughts, suggestions,
Okay, okay.
questions.
Jayashree Kole madam has attended our international conference also.
Very nice.
Oh,
So she can
yes,
tell lot of things.
Very good. Please, please.
okay, sir. Thank you.
So last 2 days, it is all a wonderful session. And we have conducted this international virtual conference in association with Gramonadi Mandals, Arts, Commerce and Science College, Narayankau, and along with the Indian Accounting Association Pune chapter. So the title was International Conference on Sustainable Business Practices and Challenges in Management, Humanities, Higher Education and Sciences. And the conference went very well. And from the yesterday morning onwards, without any losing any time, we conducted all the keynote speeches. And I hope you people are enjoyed and you get some knowledge about that with the keynote speaks. And there are 2 o'clock we have started presentation and it was end up around 5:15, 15 minutes exceeded. But however, it was a wonderful presentation session also. And today morning, 9:30, we have started with Dr. Chetan More's motivational speech and little bit Girish Kumar sir's speech. There was 5 to 10 minutes delay because of some network problem from his side. However, all the presentations, all the participants, all the speakers come on time and did their presentations, and very thankful to everyone. And as well as the Gramonadi Mandal's management, basically Dr. JP Bhosle sir, he's our Global Research Conference Forum mentor also. So I once again thank Mr. Manoj Jain to throughout his monitoring and involvement in the conference from the throughout the days, and also to the paper presenters. And thank you very much. And special thanks to my guide Muthukumar sir, because waiting from so long time today. So very thankful to everyone. And if anybody can add something, you can add, and we can wind it up because we have exceeded now 11 minutes.